Hello everyone, welcome to Answer Coach. Let's get started. This YouTube course is free help for all of you to make sure that anybody can learn freely. If you feel that our effort is worthy, then please like, share the video and subscribe the channel for upcoming courses. Now let's continue with a series of Django and let's move towards the Visual Studio Code. I told you to write all of this first name request and take all the input from the users. So let's do it ourselves this time. So first we need to write here if request just like we wrote it in our edition dot method is equal to first we have to write here post. Okay, then we need to write all of this. Okay, so here we need to write it like this. Yeah, and as we are accepting post here, so it will be post first name. Perfect. And then we will copy this, simple, we'll paste this, and then we will change all of these things. We'll change it to last, we'll change this to username, we'll change this to password, we'll change this to email, and we have to make one more, and here we will write password, and here we will write confirm, and we will make the same changes here to last, username, password, email, and then confirm password. Confirm password. So, and guys, what if we will accept all of this and this will be saved in a database, but what if both the passwords are not matching? We have to write a statement for that too. So we will write if password is equal to confirm password, then check if user dot objects dot filter username is equal to username. We also need to check that if that username is already present, then don't accept it. Okay, then print username taken, and then guys, else if everything is fine, then we need a user object, but in Django we already have a user object. Okay, so we just have to import it. We have to write from Django dot contrib dot auth dot models import user, sorry, it's user and auth. We also need to import import auth later on, but let's just import it right now only. And then here we will write the user is equal to user dot objects dot create user on if, and then we need to accept all the values. We need to give first name is equal to first name, and then we need to give last name is equal to last name, and we need to give email is equal to email, and we need to give password is equal to password, and we need to give username is equal to username. And if all of this is true, we just need to write user dot save. This is already a function. Okay, and then you have people. Let's just print that user created. Okay, user created. Okay, and then here let's write outside this loop that if this won't work, right, else print if all of this is false, user not created, and if not, then then return it to, let's return it to the home page. Redirect, we have to import redirect, and then this is it, guys. So let's just index all of this. No, sorry. So yeah, I guess this should work now, guys. We have made all the necessary changes. So let's save this and let's see that if this works or not. It's throwing an error. Import render. Okay, we have to give a comma here. Or what else? Now let's reload it again. So yeah, guys, it's working, I guess. So now, okay, let's go to this register. Let's write Sanj. Just let's give last name anything. Let's give username is equal to also anything. Let's give email e@g.c. Let's give password 123. Let's give password 123. Now let's see that if this user is created or not. Sanj. Yes. Okay. So multi-value techie username. Oh, I guess we made an error here. Okay, this should be just username, I guess. Yeah. Now let's reload this and let's do all of these things again. Okay, take us back to the registration page, please. Now let's write 123 and let's write 123. Now let's click on submit and let's see here. So guys, as you can see here, it is written user is created. Now if you go to your PG admin and if you refresh this and if you check here, there will be a username known as SAS. Here it is, guys. SAS. So guys, I want you to check the other things out too. I want you to check, like, if you give wrong passwords, then it will show user not created. Okay. And last but not the least, this is just a small start. If you really want to learn, then register in our premium live classes where you can interact and learn live with us. We are waiting for you there. Thank you again. Take care.